Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Today we're going to walk through the Forester 3271 SF. This camper is at 31 feet 11 inches long, 8 feet 5 inches wide. Nice camper here on a Ford F450 chassis. Let's take a walk around it to see what all we have to offer here in this camper. Hey guys, we're going to be walking around in the 3271 here by Forester. Of course, it is on the Ford E350 chassis. So you have the 7.3 V8 by Ford. Let's take a walk around it and see what we have to get into. So here we are. We have a little bit of outside entertainment. You have a 32-inch TV out here, and of course underneath of it here, lots of storage for you to store any kind of chairs or anything that you would take with you, or tables, so that way you can play cards out here while you're watching TV. And here in the cab, typical Ford E450 chassis cab, nice backup camera in the rearview mirror there, couple of adjustable seats, nice and easy to drive. So here we are towards the back of the camper. Of course, you have one big awning underneath over the side of the camper here with two JBL speakers on the outside. So awesome sound system with a nice awning for you to enjoy that TV out here. And of course, you have plenty of storage back here, a nice big storage bin here, and an awesome storage bay here with pass-through storage to the other side. So you're taking, if anything you want to take with you, you can take it with you. Here we are behind the Forester. You have yourself a 5,500 pound hitch. And of course, I already did the math. That would be what you could actually tow with this, is 5,500 pounds. You also have a backup camera integrated in the rear brake light there. And you have a 7-pin tow. Here we are inside the 3271. Of course, you have yourself a nice big bed over the cab here. And of course, a 40-inch TV that swivels out here, so everybody that's in the cab can watch TV while you're relaxing. Here you have yourself a nice fold-out bed, kind of a futon style, of course, with seat belts, so your family that is traveling with you can be safe. Over here you have a nice dinette that you could fold down into a bed. Of course, have you a couple other people to sleep over, and you also have child safety tethers, so that way you can take a couple kiddos with you while you're going camping. All right, here we are in the kitchen of the 3271. Of course, you have plenty of storage overhead here that blends in. And then, of course, you have a 3-burner stove with a nice microwave underneath of it, and it's a convection microwave, so you can still cook. You have a 12-volt refrigerator over here that is refrigerating all the time as long as the battery is on. And, of course, you have a nice sink here, single basin sink with a cover. A nice wireless charging pad here, and what Forester's done it real well, they've hidden the trash bin right behind our nice Gather Decor sign. They've hidden the trash can there, so that way you can cover it up and don't let the stink come back out and bother you while you're cooking. All right, here we are in the bathroom of this camper. Of course, you have yourself a nice porcelain toilet, and over here you have yourself a nice corner style shower with a skylight over the top of it for nice tall people like myself. And of course, they cover the sink over here as well. They made it nice and flat there, so that way you can hide a couple more razors, or your wife, when she's curling her hair, can lay a nice hot curling iron over top of that. You have yourself a nice medicine cabinet here to hide all your toiletries. Nice bathroom here, plenty of space for all you and your people you bring with you. So here we are in the bunk area of this camper. You have a couple of twin style beds here with plenty of storage underneath for any of your clothes. But if that's not enough storage for you, you can lift this up, lock it into place. And you can also fold this down, and of course it's good. There we go, cooperating. And you can hang any of your garments here and keep all your wife's dresses nice and pressed, or any of your work Hawaiian shirts while you're on vacation to go to Margaritaville, nice and looking good. Here we are in the bedroom of this camper. You have yourself a nice comfortable queen bed here, plenty of overhead storage up there. You have yourself a nice cabinet over in the corner for any kind of CPAP or charging your phones or anything like that. Behind me here, or next to me here, you have yourself a nice wall cabinet here in this slide for any kind of storage you need, hiding all your clothes, anything like that. Nice TV here that does swivel out, so you can hide any of your Xbox or anything like that behind it. And of course, you have yourself a nice big rear window here to let any kind of light in, or enjoy the view at night when you're getting ready to go to bed. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough of the 3271 by Forester. Great camper, nice, awesome to bring the kids with. Plenty of storage, plenty of bunks. One of my personal favorites. Thank you for joining me. Again, my name is Dalton Owen. I work with RV Wholesalers. We have plenty of walkthroughs just like this one on YouTube, Facebook. Join us to see all those. Follow us on those two channels. Give me a call, 937-843-9000, extension 153. Hope to see you. Hope to hear from you.